Hey there! In this video, we'll explore how Firefly is revolutionizing the future of outdoor advertising with their innovative taxi-top ad solutions. Firefly is at the forefront of transforming the industry by leveraging cutting-edge technology and data-driven approaches. Their dynamic advertising capabilities allow brands to create highly targeted and engaging campaigns. One of the key advantages of Firefly's platform is real-time campaign optimization. By analyzing data and audience insights, they can make adjustments on the fly to maximize ad performance and ROI. Firefly's digital displays on taxi tops enable brands to showcase vibrant, eye-catching content that adapts to different contexts and locations. This level of flexibility and customization sets them apart from
Why aren't
traditional
more
static
people
ads.
talking about Firefly?
In
Because they're
addition,
busy being
Firefly's
amazed.
technology allows
Firefly
precise
is revolutionizing
geographic
outdoor
targeting.
advertising with its
Brands
smart,
can reach their
data-driven
desired
taxi-top
audience in specific
displays.
areas,
Imagine
ensuring
dynamic
their message
campaigns
is
that
delivered
change
to the
with the
right
weather,
people
location,
at the
or
right
even
time.
time of day.
By
Firefly's
embracing
advanced
data
targeting
analytics
ensures your
and
ads hit
advanced
the right
targeting
people right where
capabilities,
they are.
Firefly
No more guessing
empowers
games.
advertisers
With real-time
to create campaigns
optimization,
that resonate
Firefly
with
tweaks
their target
campaigns on the
audience
fly to
and drive
maximize
measurable
performance
results.
and ROI. And the
As
best
the
part, these
advertising
vibrant,
landscape
eye-catching
continues to
ads are
evolve,
impossible to ignore.
Firefly is well
Don't just
positioned to
advertise,
lead the
engage,
charge
excite,
in
and
reshaping
empower.
outdoor advertising.
Firefly's innovative approach doesn't
Their
just
innovative
light up
solutions
streets,
and data-driven
it lights
approach
up your
are setting a
brand.
new standard
If you're
for
ready
the
to take
industry.
your marketing to the next
If
level,
you're looking to stay ahead of the
Firefly is
curve in
partner
outdoor
you've been
advertising,
waiting for.
keep
Join
an eye
the
on
revolution.
Firefly.
Embrace the future
They're
of
definitely a
outdoor
company to
advertising
watch
with Firefly.
as they continue to
because your brand
revolutionize the way
deserves to
brands
shine.
connect with consumers
Why aren't
in the
more
physical
people
world.
talking about